What is GRC? Well, that's the huge question of the century.
GRC is creative problem solving with anything pertaining to design or print.
I like to think of it as kind of a compromise between creativity and business.
Communicating with information, with data, with pictures in a way that tells a story.
And what I like to say is in GRC, we make things look good.
It's not an easy, quick definition, but it's something that we in our department have to figure out. Each of us have our own personal definition of what graphic communication is. How does it differ from graphic design?
Graphic design, I feel like they focus on the art and the aesthetic, whereas we like to focus on where is that art gonna go afterwards, where is that art gonna be displayed, and that's where we come in.
Graphic communication is focused a lot more on the technical side.
What we do is we are kind of the business application of design, if you will. Our goal is to work with any and all of these different forms of media and then find ways in which you can procure it.
It's appropriately understanding how to design these things in software, so you'll learn software. What are good design principles? What is attractive to human beings culturally, so here in the US, maybe in Europe, right? And then how to prepare these files for a particular output. So how do you make a career out of this? Well, one thing Cal Poly excels at is learn by doing. You're going to learn software, but you're also going to run equipment. You're going to run a printing press. You're going to create prototypes. You're going to print t-shirts, and you're going to print circuitry.
UGS is the best example of Cal Poly, in my opinion. 10 students, 11 students get to the experience of running a real print company before they're even out of school. It is 100% student run. All the managers are hired by a student general manager. You have the help of the department, but as it is, it's totally a functional, real company, and we get real business.
All of that is learn by doing. So if anything, I think we are the epitome of the learn by doing model.
In essence, it's trying to look for real-world applications and then having the students actually practice and do those sorts of real-world applications.
We have students that are working in UX UI with Google, doing some programming with Salesforce.com. We have students at Evernote. We have a student in Pandora. We have students at Apple. We've decided to have our own career day, which is inclusive of all these different disciplines that I've spoken to you about. So we have printing companies, packaging companies, we have ad agencies, we have web development facilities and houses, we have software development facilities that come in because they're looking specifically for our students that have these kind of talents. There are internships that are afforded to them, and of course there are full-time positions that they're looking for.
All the employers are super friendly, and it's all GRC, so they know what you're about. There's a lot of alumni, they know what you do, they know the projects that you've worked on, they know all your skills, and you feel really welcome. You feel really wanted too. Everyone wants you to do well. The professors are so great, they're so knowledgeable.
I love that we are the GRC tribe, and we have a really close-knit community amongst us graphic communication majors and the faculty and the industry and the alumni. We really are a family, and everyone helps each other out. The professors are great, and the friendships that you make in GRC are awesome, and then the connections that you have with the industry are really cool.